Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today is day 3 recap. Cold night in the shop, working by myself, no complaints. Gonna sound like I'm bitter, and my friend Lynn is in Mexico with his wife. I don't get it, palm trees and swimming in the ocean. Anyway, working on the truck tonight, and used oven cleaner and sprayed everything down with oven cleaner, and you'll see in the video, for instance, the steering box, man, it's just, in some places it's an inch thick of grease and sand and rocks and all kinds of crap just built up over 60 years. So spraying everything down with oven cleaner, and then also using I was using a putty knife, but putty knife was kind of flimsy, so I had found a cement, like a finishing tool for laying cement, and I found it laying in the road just like a week ago or so, and I picked it up, and this thing, I go for a walk every day, but anyway, it's pretty strong, stout, so it's working out perfect. I would have never thought of using it for that, but it's perfect for what I'm trying to do, just scrape off as much crap as I possibly can. So mainly just scrape, just knocking shit off and taking as much crap as I can off. Not a complaint, it's just that's part of the process. But what I really like about working on these old vehicles, one, I was born in 1961, so that's why I used to have a 61 Buick and bubble top. A gorgeous car, but I had to wipe it down all the time. This is going to be patina, and I don't care about, I just wanted to run the hell out of it. But what I like about working on old vehicles is you see how they made things, and this is before computers, so you can see the logic behind it and how things work, why they work the way they work. And personally, I just think about, when I'm working on them, I think about these guys were probably World War II veterans, and the necessity is the motherhood of invention. So they had a problem, they came up with thought about it for a while, or some engineer or just a shop guy thought of the solution, and then they experimented, and it morphed into a solution. So I really get into that when I'm working on these old vehicles and seeing how things work, and like on the steering box, and to see how the knuckles are, and just the principles behind everything, and how they work, why they work the way they work. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope these videos are bringing value. And the first, I don't know how many days we're going to work on it, but the first part of this is not a build. It's just we're stripping it down, and it's going to take a while to strip it on down, and then we'll start working on the build. And our goal is, it's November right now. Our goal is to have this running for the Easter car show. I live in St. Louis, and the Easter car show is a big deal here in St. Louis. Been, I don't know how many years, a long time, and it's a great show to go to. So my goal is to be able to drive this truck to the Easter car show. So if we can keep on pace or ahead of pace, because we know we'll probably fall behind when we get into some complication or miss our parts, trying to get parts. I've got parts on order, and some of the stuff comes in right away, and then some of it's on back order, and because of the shortages and everything. But anyway, our goal is to have it running and ready to go by the Easter car show. So appreciate you watching. The first bunch of videos are going to be just cleaning and taking off stuff, and then we'll get into the fun stuff where we can all start learning. I want to learn as well. So thanks again for watching, and talk to you on the next one.